Life is real, and sometimes it throws us curveballs, but it is all about how we adapt to them and grow stronger.
On my terraces, torsos in my closet, shadows from a past. Life is real. Life is real. Life is real. So real. Sleeping is my leisure. Waking up in a minefield. Dream is just a pleasure. Seen their loyalty and I'm tired of it. Life is real. Life is real. Life is real. So real. Oh yeah. Success is my breathing. I brought it on myself. I will price it, I will cash it. I can take it or leave it. Loneliness is my hiding place. Breastfeeding myself. What more can I say? I've swallowed the bitter pill. I can taste it. I can taste it. Life is real. Life is real. Life is real. So real. Music will be my outlet. They cannot forget me. I cannot forgive, still in disbelief.
Knock, knock, let the devil in. I'm the realest as I ever been. Head is spinning, this medicine is screaming, let me in. Like a salad bowl, like a Allen Poe. Should've been dead a long time, oh. Liquid Tylenol, gelatin, see my skin scatters melting right before they fall. The infants was slipping, they already know. The chair must be
Life
tripping,
is
so
a
she
journey,
gotta go. I'm
and
the
every
hurricane
step
that
we
takes us, I
take is
am
a
on the
chance
road.
to
Knock,
learn and
knock,
grow,
knock, let the devil in.
to embrace new
Shotgun, put pellets in the frail pen.
challenges, and cherish every
Fire high,
moment.
fuck around and catch a hot sin. If it is ever, then I'm not done yet, I can. Life is real, oh, life is real. The thoughts burn like a web and you just caught the feel. Head against your wheel like a hubcap on that bill. Be strangler attack, so this ain't gonna grill. Eat painkiller pills, fuck up the chill. Like, what's the names of the wheel? Through the car, the reverse to the rear end still. In the year, the back of this mangled steel. My life is real like the Jeep Wrangler grill. With the front smash, much as my scars that won't heal.
Consider the choices we make shaping our destiny.